will now teach you how to use automation clips in FLStudio. Go to the channel rack, right click, insert, find the automation clip on the list. You have now made the automation clip. Even though it is called automation clip, there is nothing automatic about it. Now what do you use it for? Excellent question. For example, go to the effects, right click on the volume or kind or whatever that is on master channel and click the link to controller. It's the secret place. It uses the controller to be the automation clip you made. Accept. Now this thing here, you can control the volume of the whole thing with the little line. You get the idea. Of course, you can make it control pretty much anything. Like you can choose the thing there. Or these things. You can think for yourself what you can use it for.